Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Have you eaten your breakfast? Today, we are going to continue our topic about decimals. But this time, we will discuss how to add and subtract decimal numbers. This is the lesson objective of our topic. That is, to add and subtract decimals with the same number of decimal place. If you know how to add and subtract whole numbers, then you can add and subtract decimals. Just be sure to line up the term so that all the decimal points are in a vertical line. The essential question that you will answer is how to add a decimal number. Here are the rules on how to add decimals. The first, put the numbers in the vertical column, aligning the decimal points. Add each column of digit, starting on the right and working towards the left. If the sum of column is more than 10, carry the digit to the next column on the left. Place the decimal point in the answer directly below the decimal point in the term. Now, let's answer this question all together. Now, you already know how to add decimals. Let's practice one more time and open your course book on page 172 until 173. Now, let's continue to subtract decimals. How to subtract decimal numbers? When subtracting decimals, we need to follow these rules. Put the numbers in a vertical column, aligning the decimal points. Subtract each column, starting on the right and working towards the left. If the digit being subtracted in a column is larger than the digit above it, borrow a digit from the next column to the left. Next, place the decimal point in the answer directly below the decimal point in the term. Next, check your answer by adding the result to the number subtracted. The sum should equal the first number. Here is an example on subtracting decimals. Now, try to answer the question in your textbook, page 178 until 179. Here is the next lesson objective, which is multiply a decimal with one decimal place by a one-digit whole number. Here are the rules on how to multiply decimals. To multiply decimal numbers, the first, multiply the numbers just as if they are whole numbers. Second, line up the numbers on the right. Do not align the decimal points. Third, starting on the right, multiply each digit in the top number by each digit in the bottom number, just as with whole numbers. Fourth, add the products. 5. Place the decimal point in the answer by starting at the right and moving the number of place equal to the sum of the decimal place in both number multiplied. Here is an example of multiplying decimals. Now, let's practice. Answer the question in your textbook, page 182.